In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate calendars with Monday.com. First, sign into your Monday.com account and head to your home screen. At the top of the page, look for the small puzzle piece icon. This is your gateway to apps in the marketplace. Click it to open the marketplace where you can add tools that extend what Monday.com can do. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type the word calendar. You'll see several options designed to help turn your boards into a clear, date-driven view. Choose the calendar app that fits your needs. In this walkthrough, we'll use a popular option from the results list. Click the listing to open its details page, skim the description and screenshots to confirm it does what you want, and then click Install App. Next, you'll decide where to install it. You can install to all workspaces, which makes the app available across your entire account, or to specific workspaces, which limits access to selected teams or projects. If you're just getting started and want to keep things simple, choose all workspaces. If you need tighter control, pick specific workspaces and select the ones that should have access. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Install. Note that some apps may have plan or permission requirements, so if you don't see the Install button, check with your admin or verify your plan includes marketplace apps. After installation, you'll add the app to a board. Choose the workspace where you'll use it, then select the specific board that contains the items you want to see on a calendar. A quick tip here. Make sure your board has at least one date column because calendar views rely on dates to place items correctly. When you've picked your workspace and board, click Add App to attach the calendar view. If you'd like another calendar on the same board, maybe one that filters a different group or uses a different date column, open the board, click the plus sign to add a new view, and select Calendar. This is a handy way to create multiple perspectives, like a team calendar and a milestones-only calendar side by side. That's it. You searched for a calendar app, installed it for the right scope, chose your workspace and board, and added the app. From here, you can customize filters, choose which date column to use, and rename the view so your team knows exactly what they're looking at. Save your changes, and you're ready to plan your work visually in Monday.com.